Okay, well, I'm here with Jeremiah from Slide. Can you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what you guys do?
Yeah, my name is Jeremiah Robison. I am the CTO at Slide. Slide is a maker of social applications that are embedded across sites all over the internet. MySpace, Facebook, High Five, any social network that you can imagine, Slide has a presence on today.
So, since you guys are like a widget company, were you able to leverage all your past knowledge really quickly, and were you able to get up to speed using the OpenSocial platform really quickly, or did it take some time? Was there a learning curve?
Our experience with the OpenSocial platform it was really an exploration for us. The platform is open. It's all based on JavaScript and HTML, and that's been a wonderful thing because we have been able to incorporate a lot of the pieces of UI flow and user experience that we have in our other networks and actually build them so that they're seamlessly integrated into the platform. And there are a couple different ways in which we could have done this. One would be to just plop in iframes wherever we felt that they were necessary and render our content that way. But we really took a different approach, which was to fully leverage the social platform and JavaScript to build asynchronous applications that were pulling down content from our servers and rendering it in place in the frame. So it's a really smooth experience. It feels like you're interacting with the platform itself.
That's great. What do you hope Google does with this in the next couple of months? Are there any particular features that would be perfect for the applications that you're developing?
Well, right now the OpenSocial platform has been focused mostly on the social graph, and that's your friends of your photos being able to link to their profiles. But as a media company, we really look forward to when the OpenSocial platform gives us access to the user's media, and that's videos, that's photos, and once we have that access, it can make rich applications really seamlessly, allow users to add their media that they already have in their system or media that their friends have and play with it and really have fun with it.
That's great. Can we see some of your applications within
Absolutely.
Orkut?
What I'll show you is our Funwall application running in both Orkut and High Five, and I'll take you through some of the functionality. So here you can see this is my Orkut profile, and I have here a Funwall application, and you'll notice that it's actually localized to Portuguese. I have my profile set up to Portuguese, and all of the instructions are already in Portuguese. And one of the benefits of developing in this open platform is we actually have access to the same localization technology that we already use. And you'll see I have some funny photos. This is of Paul Lindner at High Five. I have a funny video from one of my favorites, Punjabi MC, the Knight Rider theme. These are just things that I find fun and enjoyable, and these are things that I've currently posted to my own Funwall just for demo purposes. And one of the things that they have is both a profile view and a canvas page view, so we can do things like create. If I really like this thing that was posted to my profile, I can send it to a bunch of friends. And using the OpenSocial APIs, I've pulled the images and names from all of my friends and have IDs, and we use those IDs to store information on the back end of our system. And so I can forward this to my friend. And you can see still we have content here that's localized, and it takes some time to get all of the content localized, but you can really have a rich experience. And what I like to show here is that we have a place where you can show the things that you've posted. You can show your own Funwall, and you can basically have as rich an experience as you want right inside of the application. Now, this same application with just minor tweaks is running inside High Five. And you can see that here. This is one of our product managers posted a video to my profile here a couple of times. And I've got this nice picture of Paul Prince, who's got to be wondering what he's doing with his life now that he's got two big stars next to him in the Celtics. And I just take you through some of the create flows that we have. So you can see that this is pretty seamlessly integrated into the experience. It's, some developers will want to do some branding to enhance the look to enhance the image of their own company. And currently, we just want it integrated into the system. So you click through, and again, they have the same concept of Canvas pages. And all that it took for us to have our application working in both profiles was a little bit of CSS to pick up styling. So for the different links because in the High Five platform, their links are orange when they overline, and it's really nice. You just take a little bit of CSS style for each network, different fonts, different hover effects and that type of thing, and different color schemes. And then you can just have an application that works in multiple platforms. We have a little bit of JavaScript that lives in the networks, in particular files just for each network, which allow you to do things that are slightly different on different profiles. But as the platform matures, that stuff will be abstracted away into a place where I can call go to profile, and it will go to the profile page regardless of whether it's in High Five or Coot, or maybe it's on something that's completely not a social site. And maybe you can have something, imagine with LinkedIn and you have top colleagues. These are things that we look forward to. Let's go back and add a video. How about that? Videos are fun. And the Funwall is a synthesis of a number of products that Slide offers today. We have skin flicks, we have fun pics, and we have slideshows. And those are things that people put individually now into each of these platforms, and we actually give them a way to share them in an integrated experience that's only possible through this type of OpenSocial API. Another great late 80s television show. Well, early 80s. And as you can see, the platform itself has all of its own branding on it, and what you choose as a developer on how much you want to brand it is completely up to you. So the other application that we have allows you to set your mood and your friends, and is a way to organize. It's just a very simple app. And what we find is that complexity in applications is not always the selling factor. Sometimes it's a matter of convenience. In places where it's not easy to organize your friends, we allow for you to organize them and put them on your profile. And for some people, it's about self-expression. These are the people that I want to show off today. And what we have here is an area of control that is populated through the OpenSocial APIs. It's a JavaScript call. We get the friends, we get their names, we get their photos. But the interaction, the JavaScript for actually building this environment where you can pick your friends and organize them and pick different skins that you would want to show off, that's all ours. And the fact that these two can coexist in the platform is really a testament to how open the OpenSocial platform is. So I'm going to save my friends. So as you can see, there's some extra information about how socially popular you are, and we can actually leverage some of the information from the OpenSocial API as people talk about, how many posts did this person send to the phone wall, how many comments, look at the activity stream. This is information that we can gather from the platform and put into our calculation of a popularity score. I know it sounds a little petty, but people love this stuff. And as much as I would like to think that I can associate with our users, I'm only providing them a service, and it's a service they really enjoy. And they can set their moods, and all of these are still looking for some icon love, but it's just a way for people to express themselves, and they seem to really enjoy it. And you can see all of that customization is now available here in my profile. And with convenient click-throughs to other people's profiles. So the application is not restricted to itself. what it can do is it can branch out and it can provide new ways of accessing other information on these networks. And we will see that evolve, and we will see, here's how to access somebody's photo album, and you can provide links from your applications into other applications. And you can see I had forwarded her some of that wonderful content that I enjoy so much.
Well, that's great. Thank you very much. Is there anything that you want to add about Slide or the OpenSocial platform?
Nope. I think I've said it all.